Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ClickUp account or workspace. Whether you're cleaning up unused workspaces or removing your account entirely, this guide will walk you through both processes step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has the workspace or profile you want to delete, as this is crucial for the next steps. Let's start by deleting a workspace. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage various aspects of your ClickUp account. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a navigation panel with several options. Look for and click on Workspace. This section allows you to manage all the workspaces associated with your account. Now find the specific workspace you want to delete from the list. Click on Settings next to that workspace. This opens up the configuration options for that particular workspace, giving you control over its settings and features. Scroll down through the workspace settings until you locate the option labeled Delete Workspace. This is typically found towards the bottom of the settings page. Click on it to proceed with the deletion process. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to delete this workspace. This is an important safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Go ahead and click Delete Workspace to confirm your decision. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and will remove all data associated with that workspace. Now, if you want to delete your entire ClickUp account, head back to the left side of the settings and click on My Settings. This section contains your personal account information and preferences rather than workspace-specific settings. Scroll down through your personal settings until you find the Delete Account option. This is usually positioned near the bottom of the page. Click on it to initiate the account deletion process. Finally, you'll need to input your password to confirm this action. This security measure ensures that only you can delete your account. Type in your password and click Confirm to complete the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted either your ClickUp workspace or your entire account, depending on which option you chose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.